sparkle in your eyes keeps me alive, keeps me alive. And sure in her you'll find the sanctuary. And sure in her you'll find the sanctuary.
So guys, that was She Sells Sanctuary. It's like she sells seashells down by the seashore. What is that? That's alliteration? I don't know. English? What? Anyway, that's by The Cult. And that was really big just before I got into music. So there's people that I looked up to that were crazy about this style of music. So that might give you a hint as to my vintage. Anyway, this is a great track. It's a lot of fun to play along to, and it's very, very straight. On the intro, you've got the count of 3 in, 1, 2, 3, and you get a nice sharp, loud flam because it's the I can't think of the word for loud and quiet. The dynamics tell you that it's forte, which is loud. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, clap. So the tempo isn't that slow, but what you're playing isn't that hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not going to catch you out. The 4th bar, you got a little fill. 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually the 3, not to do the and on the 3 is a little bit tricky. So watch out for that. It's a 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and playing less is harder. Okay, so moving on to 5 starts with crash. A lot of crash in this. You like that? Maybe. If you like crash. Who doesn't like crash? Seriously. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another fill on the end of this 4-bar phrase. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a. That's popular in this piece as well. It's played a few times. And then the verse starts on bar 9 with a crash. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 4th of that 4-bar phrase, you just have an extra bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Nice little bit of detail there. And then on bar 16, which is the 4th of the next phrase, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and again with the solid 3. Watch out for not playing an and there. And then you're into guitar refrain. I won't try and sing it. I'll save you that. Again, starts with crash. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extra bass drum on the next bar on 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. On 20, extra bass drum and 1. Okay, sorry, on 21, you're going to have that crash again. I love the crashes in this. On the end of this 4-bar phrase, we're going to have a fill. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and a. I told you that fill was going to show up again, and it did. So, we're already on the 2nd page. We're already into the verse. Starting with a crash. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Into 29, 30, 31. And then on 32, we have our fill. 1, 2, 3, and a 4 and a. Yes, same fill again. And then into chorus, starting with a crash. 1, 2, 3, 4. The end of this phrase, 36, has the extra bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Into 37 now, and the end of that phrase on 40 has a little fill. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a. Okay? Now we're into breakdown. Breakdown is just no snare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That continues until you get as far as 47. And then on 48, you got a beautiful little fill. Blah, blah, blah. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we're into outro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, repeat, repeat. You get to 52. You have the extra bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay? 53, 54, same repeat. And then we have on 55, crash, snare, crash, crash. So it's 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's that simple. Play along with the track, have a lot of fun with it, go listen to the Cults version of it, play along to that one, become a better person, give to charity, love your family. I'll see you in the next video. I'm never showing that to anyone.